3, 2, 1. Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm gonna share the tip to learn Korean in easy way for beginner. Okay, I will share this tip to your guys. When I learn Korean, I started from I want. When you start from I want, that is really easy that I always use with every languages, because when you want something you will try to say that word I want tut, tut, tut. You want tut, tut, tut. He, she, they want tut, tut, tut. So in Korean it's really easy. In Korean, go, 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 ship, call, yo. Then you add verb and then go, ship, call, yo. When you want, you just said I want 저는 뜻 verb and go 싶어요. You want go 싶어요. He want something go 싶어요. Yes, and really easy. So I hope this tip is useful for you, and so you can use this tip with every languages. So see you next time in the next lesson. If this video useful for you, please thumbs up for let me know this really useful for you. And if you like and useful, share this video to your friend and subscribe this channel to learn more Korean. And don't forget, turn on notification when I upload a video so you can see immediately. Then see you next time. Bye bye.